In this example, we will use cell B2 to display the results. Next, type equals SQRT, select SQRT from the drop-down list, choose the cell that contains the number you want to calculate the square root for example, A2, and press Enter. To quickly apply the same calculation to the entire column, hover over the small square in the bottom right corner of cell B2, known as the fill handle, and drag it downward to copy the formula to all corresponding rows, with Excel automatically adjusting the reference for each one. Once all the results are in place, right-click the cells, select Format Cells, choose Number, and set the decimal places to 2 so the results are displayed clearly and consistently. See more videos to learn how to apply the power, average, max, and min functions in Excel, and discover more shortcuts to work faster and smarter.